Hello everyone, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a sprite animation with the 3DS and an iPad. So right now, you just need to go to the sprites. For instance, you just go to the sprites. Then you're just going to take a picture with the 3DS in front of the sprites that you need. So now just take, just like this. I use Sonic before the sequel. Just Sonic the Hedgehog before the sequel sprites. And so I used the running sprites. So then you're just gonna do this. So just use the 3DS, pick graffiti, just like this. Alright, so now then you're just gonna cover up just all the sprites except the one that you need. Alright, so then after you're finished, you gotta hit, finish. So then, just do it until you have all the sprites that you're done with. So now, then, you